Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about on-chain indicators for Bitcoin for investors. Let's dive in. In this playlist, I would like to talk about a lot of indicators for Bitcoin, which can help you to determine the bottom and the top like investor. So it's really important because a lot of people start trade without knowledge and they just lose all their deposit, all their capital just on the futures. But if you're just a new user and you start invest, not a trade in crypto, this playlist will be really useful for you, and all information absolutely totally for free. Today I would like to talk about MVRV indicator. It's market value, realized value for Bitcoin. MVRV is a popular on-chain indicator that helps identify Bitcoin price lows and highs. The MVRV indicator is designed to analyze the long-term trends and the cycles. It is used as a tool for detecting two main market phases: accumulation and distribution. MVRV is based on idea of a struggle between two types of market participants: speculators and holders. In the context of the indicator, the holders are investors who have given up short-term financial gain in the favor of the long-term. Speculators are the traders aiming at short-term profit. Indicator helps determine which players dominate the market at the particular point in the time. Like you can see here in October 2021, November 2021, let's zoom in to this time period, the MVRV ratio was over than Bitcoin price. It was a signal potential top, and you can track the trend and the size of MVRV ratio. What we can see at this current moment. So let's zoom in here. We can find out. So here, the price way higher than the bars. So it means it's basically not a top. Of course, we can't know in a moment. Maybe exactly in the March, we hit the highest point, right? And maybe it was the end of bull run at 72, 73K. But I think we recover back soon, and we'll see the bars of MVRV ratio way higher than the price, and it can be the signal for potential all-time high. So this is a way how you can potentially track the top if you would like to see the MVRV Z Score. So it's basically with a little bit another formula. It's circulation market capitalization and realized market capitalization, standard deviation. You can find out the price behavior and the cycles. On the left side, we got a scale with the numbers, and it's not necessary. So for example, if we hit 10 score here in zone 13, we have to repeat it the same like in zone 24. The market capitalization, the volatility, absolutely totally different. Here's a score like a 10 on this indicator. The all-time high, $97 for Bitcoin. Yes, it's hard to believe, but yes, we got other prices like this one for Bitcoin just 10 years ago. Then we got a lower point like 855 on MVRV Z Score, and the price for Bitcoin was 1,000. Take a look how the MVRV signaling that top in zone 17. So here we hit the highest point of MVRV in December 17, 9.95. The price was 17K, and just in the next 5 days, we hit new all-time high like 19K, and the Z Score was 872. So it was a significant signal of the all-time high and the top end of cycle. Next phase, and why do I think it's one more confirmation. So the end of bull run was in 2021 in spring, not in October. Because take a look, the MVRV ratio at this point in January 2021 and in February 2021, it was at the top. It was signal of end of this cycle. Price hit in April, highest point, 63, 62K, and we collapsed it down. And take a look where the MVRV score was in November 2021. And what we got at this current moment, the price almost at the level of November 2021. Got it. But MVRV score now at around 1.77. So at least we can see one more leg up to the top where will be the top? Nobody knows, right? Because we can't know the future. The MVRV ratio score will be, once again, around 3.59. It can be the signal of potential end of cycle globally. Time to time, you can track this data. Also, we can take a look the MVRV Z Score with kind of more data like realized capitalization, and take a look how it's calculated. The realized value, blue line, this one on the chart, it's rather than taking the current price of Bitcoin, realized value takes the price of each Bitcoin when it was last moved. The last time it was sent from one wallet to another wallet, but it's a big problem, and I think we can't use this line like a real value of Bitcoin price, you know, or capitalization. Because, for example, somebody can buy Bitcoin like 100K Bitcoins at 100 price, let's say around here. And then just today, maybe somebody decide send this Bitcoins just to another wallet. So separate it. And the on-chain data based on this indicator will count it like this guy purchased Bitcoin at current price like 62K. But it's absolutely totally false. But anyway, you can track the behavior of this line, and it's maybe can help you determine the potential bottom. And of course, guys, it's for investments. Take a look how the price reacts here at the bottom in 2018 till 2019. We traded under this line, then we bounce it and retest it at a COVID dump. And after that, we get a crazy rally, but we can't know where the price will stop. So lines, it looks like support, but we don't have a resistance. That's why we can use the MVRV and track the potential highest points. But based on Z score, we can form the bottom long-term period. The same story with the top. So this is the bottom in 2011. From October till December, we formed the bottom. So like 3 months here. Then we got a bottom here. We drop it under green line from January 15 till last touch August 15, we formed the bottom. Then November 18, March 19, we formed the bottom. Then we got a COVID dump, retested. Here also was significant signals why it was a bottom. I don't know why the people talk it's not enough drop, but exactly in November 2022, it was the perfect bottom for Bitcoin. Now, basically, we're not touch the resistance, the red line. Just be careful because it's not unnecessary. So maybe this cycle we will touch this line. So just in case. So maybe the top will be at 4 score or at 6. This cycle will not hit the top. So we're now under even the middle line. Also, you have to understand, so when the MVRV reaching any levels, it's not a signal to buy or sell. MVRV, it's not a trading indicator, and it's not intended to evaluate the behavior of traders. It's more for investments and the time for determine potentially good zones to buy and sell your investment portfolio. So guys, I hope you like this video. Link to MVRV indicator will be on the description below. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.